Once a year, if your tax resident in Italy, you have to file your taxes on the worldwide income basis. Depending on your citizenship or your whole tax profile, it's not uncommon for some of you to keep filing your taxes also in your home country. I'm thinking about US citizens, for example, who have to deal with US taxes as long as they have something to declare. If we take a look at different countries, we find as well as a lot of differences about taxes, deadlines, and tax rates in general. The first one is what comes about in every single meeting I have with new clients: timing, timelines. Some countries have a fiscal year that doesn't fit with the calendar year, running from April to March, for example. So does the deadline, of course. The question now is simple. If you have to file your taxes in two countries, who comes first? And the follow-up is, do I have to file both or just one? Is it an or practice or an and practice? There's no simple answer, unfortunately. We have to read carefully what the local regulations provide about requirements and deadlines. And then we have to consider if those two countries signed any tax agreement to avoid dual taxation, what those articles say about the specific case of yours. Generally speaking, usually what happens is the client has to file both for the same fiscal or not calendar year. So, after having found a way to synchronize those two tax years, after having found a way to estimate mutual income and expenses applying the right articles of the tax rate in force, the client must choose then where to file those taxes first. Yes, choose. Because most of the time, both countries allows taxpayers to file a late tax practice, helping the process of dealing with international fiscal duties. So, regardless, the local and international sources taken into consideration, a wrong timing could cost more or less penalties and could compromise the whole benefit of using foreign taxes as credit in the other country. My suggestion? Well, find someone in both countries who know what they do, who are experienced in local and international tax compliance, who are willing to collaborate with the counterpart to the other country to protect your assets and minimize your tax bill if it's possible. The goal is not filing just one each separately, but avoiding tax ruling in the future from both countries.